Hi guys. I know that I said I'll try and get a video out every week, and I haven't stuck to that. I'm terribly sorry. But since I put my last video out, life has been very hectic. My little man has been in hospital a couple of times. He's perfectly fine now though. He's absolutely fine. But yeah, he had to go to hospital a couple of times. So for a few days after both of the hospital visits, I obviously had to make sure that he was okay, so I wasn't able to put videos up then. And then life just kind of got in the way, like loads of appointments and little man's injections that he had last week and just stuff like that. You can have a very cheeky little glimpse of him here, but I will be doing a video on him and my labour and like the birth and everything. So it's really hard to get. I'm using my phone in my hand instead of my normal camera that I use on my laptop. I used to use it on my desktop, but I gave my eldest son my desktop the other day, so I'm just using laptops and stuff now. Anyway, I just wanted to apologise for not having any regular videos out again, like I said that I would do. Finding spare time is very hard at the minute because obviously my partner's at work a lot of the time as well. His mum and dad do have Barney occasionally, which is really nice, but when I've got that free time, I've then got to catch up with like the flat work, and like as you guys know, we've just recently moved flat, so I'm still trying to sort all of the flat out and then doing the washing, hanging the washing up, and yeah, it's so hectic, but it's obviously worth it and stuff. But yeah, I find that I'm running out of a lot of time to do things, so I guess I'm gonna have to start making videos at 2-3 o'clock in the morning when he's asleep, so that I can actually get some videos out for you guys. Anyway, as I said, I just wanted to give a quick sorry and whatnot, and just to explain that I haven't purposely not put any videos out. Hello, little man. I haven't purposely not put any videos out. I just really have been hectic. I obviously really want to keep my channel going and stuff, and I just want to thank everybody again that has stuck with me during my absent time and stuff. I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of the comments that I've been getting on my videos, and you're just all fantastic people, and thank you very much for putting up with me. Here's the little man who you can't see any nip there. He's just been having a feed, so yeah, you have, haven't you, little man? He's now no, he's woken up. He's woken up a little bit. Now he's going back to sleep. The temperature here in England is so hot at the minute. We don't normally get this kind of temperature here. So having a newborn and oh god, sorry, my camera. Having a newborn and this temperature doesn't really mix very well because he doesn't like it, but he obviously can't tell me that he's not enjoying it, and the only way that he can tell me is through crying. So we're having a lot of crying episodes lately, but it's fine. It's absolutely fine. You're going to say hello to the YouTube crew. It's the ultimate PJ crew, isn't it? So there's a little man. As I said, I will do a video on going through what my pregnancy was like, what the labour was like, and what it's been like having him home. I shall get one of those up very soon. So as I said, thank you once again. I'm sorry, I keep repeating myself tonight. Thank you once again for sticking with me. I very much appreciate it. Me and Barnaby here are very happy. Oh no, don't start again. He's not happy right now. It's the heat. Anyway, I'm going to go before I end up giving a really big nip slip because of him moving. I shall see you all soon. Keep safe in this heat. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids and make sure you're resting because you don't want to go passing out. And oh, his face is just so gorgeous. And yeah, just look after yourselves, look after your family, keep your loved ones close to you, And I shall see you all very soon. But for now, it is bye from me, and it is bye from Barnaby. We'll see you soon. Bye.